Generally, we gather inquiries online or from exhibitions, and we would invite customers to our factory or get a video call to introduce our machines. When customers come to our office, firstly, we would take him to our showroom. He will see all machine models there. Then we would recommend the suitable one according to his expectance. Most of customers fall in love with the machine at first sight. The smooth appearance design convinces every customer of its stability. Another thing that customers consider is the real printing effect. When they take some samples, we will operate the machine for printing or sight, during which customers would know the resolution, printing speed, the thickness of white or varnish.